I'm Tim Darnell. I work for Portworx by Pure Storage. We're a cloud-native storage company that brings persistent data capabilities and disaster recovery, data protection, and database as a service opportunities to our customers that use Kubernetes. We used Katacoda for a long time. O'Reilly purchased them. They ended up deprecating that functionality in that product, and we were really looking for another product that could kind of fill those needs for the learning labs for our customers and partners. It's a lot of the learning labs, obviously, right? We want to be able to get knowledge into our customers or prospective customers' brains, but really focus on being able to get our use cases kind of evangelized for free for our customers to come and see and use. So we're also using it for instructor-led training. What we'll do is we'll have our customers go through and they'll kind of go through some instructor training, and then we use that to kind of validate what our instructors have done. And we have a Portworx certified administrator program that once all of the customers or partners can go through all of these labs, we'll go ahead and certify them through our corporate program. It's really challenging. We have like 44 labs with Instruqt. From a wide range of just kind of basic setup to deploying databases or specific use cases. Maintaining that type of infrastructure on our own would require some full-time employees. So, it was really great to be able to come to Instruqt and have that kind of done for us and use your guys' expertise to help us with all of that infrastructure. I think what we're really looking for, just because we have such a wide breadth of labs and large number of labs, is being able to kind of have that pool of infrastructure to pull from, to where we can assign individual labs, based on a couple or small pool of hot start infrastructure with you guys. Sure. So I think, since we've started with you guys after coming over from Katacoda, we've had, somewhere in the range of 3,000 to 4,000 labs spun up and used, within a short few month period. So it's been really good in terms of traffic. So I think what they really like is your ability to go through and check if they've actually done the proper thing in the lab. Right? Sometimes in Kubernetes, there's a lot of complexity in terms of what we're asking our customers to go through and do in some of these scenarios. And being able to write those check scripts and have you guys go through and actually check and see if they've done it properly, or give them hints on how to do things if they don't understand it, has been really useful. You guys have been great. We were really concerned when O'Reilly shut down Katacoda, and being able to find a partner like you guys that can actually up the game and give us additional features on top of what we had has been really useful.